Washing machines save time, reduce effort, ensure hygienic, efficient, and convenient laundry cleaning. My today's video is about top 5 best washing machine that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Midea washing machine. This 240V heat pump dryer is an excellent choice for modern homes seeking energy efficiency and fabric care. Its ventless design eliminates the need for external ventilation, making installation simple and flexible, perfect for apartments or compact laundry spaces. The 24-inch size allows it to fit neatly beside a washer or in a stack setup. The heat pump technology reduces energy use by at least 28% compared to standard dryers, helping lower utility bills while drying clothes at gentle, low temperatures that protect delicate fabrics. The built-in humidity sensor automatically adjusts drying time, preventing overdrying and ensuring clothes come out just the way you prefer. The wrinkle care feature adds up to 90 minutes of intermittent tumbling with unheated air, minimizing creases and keeping garments fresh until you're ready to remove them. Energy Star certification further guarantees outstanding efficiency, making this dryer a smart, cost-saving investment for any household. Now our second product is Krib Bling washing machine. This full automatic portable washing machine is a smart solution for small space living. Designed as a 2-in-1 compact washer, it handles both washing and spinning with minimal effort. Simply select your preferred program and water level, and the machine runs independently, saving you valuable time and effort. Its compact, space-saving design makes it perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and camping trips. With little to no assembly required, it's easy to set up and operate right away. The built-in drain pump allows flexible water drainage from different angles, while the powerful motor ensures smooth and efficient performance. The multifunctional control panel offers 10 washing programs and multiple water level options, clearly displayed on an LED screen. The child lock adds extra safety for families. Plus, the automatic imbalance adjustment system reduces shaking and noise, providing a stable, quieter laundry experience. Our third product is Auertech washing machine. The Auertech large capacity twin tub washer is a practical and efficient solution for small living spaces. Featuring separate washing and spin tubs, it allows you to wash and dry clothes simultaneously, saving both time and effort. Its compact, lightweight design fits easily in bathrooms, closets, dorms, apartments, or RVs. Powered by a strong 1,300 revolutions per minute motor, this washer delivers quick and effective cleaning while maintaining low water and energy consumption. With an 18 pounds washing capacity and 10 pounds spin capacity, it handles daily laundry needs with ease. The transparent window lets you monitor the process conveniently. Equipped with a drain pump and adjustable inlet hose, it offers flexible drainage options. The simple control panel allows separate time settings for washing and spinning, making operation straightforward. Built-in overheat protection enhances safety and durability, ensuring reliable performance for long-term use. Now number 4, Anypro washing machine. The Anypro portable washing machine combines compact design with impressive performance, making it perfect for apartments, small homes, and RV living. Measuring just 19.7 by 19.9 by 33.7 inches yet handling up to 17.8 pounds of laundry, it delivers generous capacity without taking up valuable space. With 10 wash programs, it easily adapts to delicate fabrics, everyday clothing, and heavy-duty loads. The advanced fuzzy control technology automatically adjusts settings for optimal results, offering a convenient, worry-free laundry experience. Weighing only 43.3 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move, ideal for renters or those who relocate frequently. Safety features like the child lock provide peace of mind for families, while the durable stainless steel drum ensures long-lasting performance. Easy installation with standard US outlets and plumbing adds to its convenience. Energy-efficient operation helps reduce utility costs without compromising cleaning power, making it a smart and reliable choice. And our last choice is Kenmore washing machine. This high-efficiency front-load washer is designed to save time without compromising performance. With Express Wash, small loads can be cleaned in just 25 minutes, while Exila Wash handles full-size loads up to 26% faster, perfect for busy households looking to cut down laundry time. For stubborn stains, the Steam Treat option delivers powerful steam cleaning to lift everyday dirt and grime effectively. The washer offers 12 versatile wash cycles, including kids' wear, whites, delicates, and express wash, along with 5 temperature settings and an extra rinse option to protect sensitive skin. Intuitive light touch controls and clear LED indicators make operation simple, showing cycle status and remaining time at a glance. Energy-saving features like cold clean use up to 90% less energy compared to standard settings. Energy Star certification ensures efficient performance while helping reduce utility bills, making this washer a smart and economical choice. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.